everyone, and welcome to this round of EdTalks. We have with us Trevor Towns from Northland Institute in Dubai, and it has a George Brown connection. Trevor, tell us something about that.
Well, thank you very much for inviting me here. We have something extremely exciting. We have partnered with George Brown Polytech, one of the largest colleges in Toronto, Canada, and we are very grateful for this partnership because we are the first Canadian college in Dubai that offer a real Canadian diploma from George Brown.
Okay. So what kind of programs do you offer, and are they all industry driven?
Yes, we call it the perfect pairing because Dubai hospitality and tourism is growing exceptionally, and we want to support that with jobs and skilled workers. So we're offering hospitality and tourism management, restaurant management, and hotel operational management. So we very base our three programs on hospitality and tourism. And we, like I said, we call it the perfect pairing because we know Dubai and the UAE needs these skilled jobs in the future, and we would like our students to be part of that.
So how is your curriculum designed to match industry standards?
So we have excellent partners, industry partners that we've already signed with. It's a 2-year diploma. In your fourth semester, your second year, we have a co-op where our students we place in industry to actually get hands-on experience, therefore putting themselves in a much better place when they find permanent employment after their 2-year diploma. So we work hand in hand with industry, especially through co-op, and we have some amazing industry partnerships that have already signed with us.
Okay, so let's get straight to the what matters most, which is jobs.
Yes.
So how do you at your institution ensure that your student really lands up with a job and not just a diploma?
Well, a diploma is, and our college really focuses on integrated learning. Integrated learning, we are vocational diploma. We make sure our students are job ready. So the actual curriculum and the teaching methods is very much group work, case studies. We're going to have guest speakers. It's not based on theoretical learning. There's a lot of experiential learning. And through our co-op and through our events that we have on campus, our students are more aligned with hands-on training. And that's exactly what the industry needs. They want students that know the challenges when they come into a job, and we make sure our students are equipped with those skills necessary to achieve success in their job.
So students usually ask, how can I recover my investment? What is the return on investment? So what would you say to that?
Well, we definitely put it in the way, and we've got value for money. So getting a real Canadian diploma in Dubai is already quite a value towards the students. Our pricing structure is definitely affordable because we're offering a 12,000 dirham scholarship for first-year students. The industry, as we know, in terms of hospitality terms, the sky's the limit. Students that can become supervisory roles in global hospitality chains like the Marriott, the Fairmonts, Ritz-Carlton, they can be part of these companies. It's very difficult to put a number on how they return investment, but we know that we have one of the most exciting careers that students can have in terms of traveling the world, seeing new places, and that's all because of hospitality and tourism. So our fees are 40,000 dirhams a year, but with the scholarship that we take over 2 years, it's only 34,000 dirhams a year. So for a George Brown Polytechnic diploma in Dubai, we kind of know it's a bit cheaper than Canada at the moment. I like to say that. The value is definitely there for the students.
So what's the biggest gap for students in the industry, and how are you filling that gap in the hospitality industry?
So the biggest gap that Dubai government has actually told us is skilled workers. They need skilled mid to high tier managers. So our diplomas are equipped students with that kind of knowledge in terms of stepping into mid to high tier management roles. So there is a big gap. Stats that I like to always say is 49,000 skilled workers are needed by 2030. That's part of the Dubai vision of hospitality and tourism. And that's why the Dubai government was so happy to have us, because we need to fulfill that gap. Vocational education is definitely the means to drive that assistance for those gaps in Dubai.
And Dubai is so close to India as well, right?
Yes, it's becoming the global center point. So everything's close to Dubai. And I always like to add right at the end is that, remember, it's tax-free. So, and that's why I enjoy living there. We know that after 2 years, those students can finish, they can get permanent jobs, and they can make a very successful life in this beautiful country, great hospitality, first world country, everything. It's extremely safe. Students have an amazing social life. They can go wherever they want. Crime is non-existent, and if they're really successful, they can make a very nice income, and it's completely tax-free.
Thank you so much, Trevor. That was amazing listening to you.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you.